All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about BabyDoge Coin. Yeah, BabyDoge Coin. We haven't talked about it ever. This is the first time we're talking about it. It's up in the news, all kinds of hype. People want to know about it. Lots of things going on. We're going to go to the website, check out their Twitter account. Also, BabyDoge Coin jumps into the NFT space with the European football. It's going to be pretty interesting. We're going to go to that. And if you're dating and you're in the dating scene, using cryptocurrency in your profile that you buy cryptocurrency or you're into it, or talking about how you pay your bills with Bitcoin and stuff, is this something that's desirable to the other sex? They're actually interested in people that are into cryptocurrency. So we're going to talk about if you're dating, how cryptocurrency could help you in the dating scene. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day, even own some cryptocurrency. All right. Let's go ahead and head over to BabyDoge Coin. All right, BabyDoge Coin is up 12% right now in the last 24 hours. Fantastic. Clicking it, 2680 on Coin Market Cap, up 11.84% or up 12%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros and a 41.27. We'll come back and do a price prediction. Take a look in the last 24 hours. It's going. It's kind of going up. It's going up. Here's the weekend. It's getting ready to hit. Over here on the Twitter account, Best Friends Animal Society. We're going to talk about that. The deflationary meme of BSC hold, pet, love, and help save dogs. BabyDoge, we donated $150,000 to the Animal League. BabyDoge Mobile Rescue Adoption Unit on the way. More of the partnership and how BabyDoge will help puppies and dogs find a home soon. So it's fantastic. They donated $150,000 to the Animal League. BabyDoge Mobile Rescue. It says BabyDoge Coin burns 4.8 quadrillion tokens, over 18 million. The latest burn has reduced the supply by 42.5%, but there's still a considerable amount left. All right. So over here at the website, BabyDoge, the birth of BabyDoge, the world's best community coin. The BabyDoge has learned a few tricks, lessons from its meme father, Doge. A new crypto birth by fans of the Doge meme online community. BabyDoge seeks to impress his father by showing his new improved transaction speed and adorableness. He is hyper deflation with the static reflection that rewards holders. So more BabyDoge coins are more automatically added to your wallet each transaction. Simply love, pet, and hold 5% of each transaction is automatically redistributed to BabyDoge holders. All right, we're liking the way that sounds. BabyDoge protocol. It says BabyDoge is a cute but with a lot of bite. BabyDoge is a deflationary token designed to become more scarce over time. All holders of BabyDoge will earn more BabyDoge that is automatically sent to their wallet by simply holding the BabyDoge coins in your wallet. Watch the amount of BabyDoge grow in your wallet as BabyDoge coin holders automatically receive a 5% fee from every chain transaction that happens at BabyDoge ecosystem. The community receives more BabyDoge coins from the fees generated each transaction. And then you got your auto and manual burns. We burn 41% of the supply. That means out of the 5%, the redistribution, 41% of it will be distributed into the dead wallet. Each transaction. Coins are burned in every transaction. Auto reflection, a 5% fee of each transaction is redistributed to token holders. This means you can earn more BabyDoge coin by holding them in your wallet. Locked liquidity, majority of the initial LP tokens locked and some are burned. And then they got the charity wallet. We have designed charity wallets that receive redistributions that are used to support our charity partners. Could have just done that with that $150,000. Also, pretty neat, BabyDoge crypto card. BabyDoge application will be the follow an ISO or Android. The application will be the following features: ability to buy crypto, ability to send crypto, ability to exchange cryptocurrencies for fiat. We'll have a new text bit technology, meaning that users can text BabyDoge to anyone, anywhere in the world using a telephone. Restrictions apply. So get your BabyDoge card today. Our tokenomics, 5% of each transaction is added to the liquidity pool and 5% is redistributed to the holders. All right, BabyDoge so far is pretty awesome. We're going to go over to this European football. What did BabyDoge get into? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. BabyDoge Coin jumps into the NFT space with the European Football Club. From providing aid to stray dogs to landing deals with one of the Germans' popular soccer clubs, BabyDoge Coin has witnessed impeccable growth. The coin did not stop from attaining success. The latest partnership is with TSG, a proof of the same. Meme coins have been on a roll with BabyDoge Coin at the forefront of the whole meme coin frenzy. While several sports clubs have already embraced the crypto, TSG has took interest in BabyDoge. TSG right here, leading crypto coin. BabyDoge Coin becomes an official partner of TSG, and BabyDoge will collaborate on developing club-specific NFTs. As per the latest deal, the meme coin would be an official partner of the club. During the partnership, the BabyDoge network would assist TSG in rolling out NFTs featuring the club. Apart from this, the meme coin would display an LED board throughout the soccer turf during the home games. TSG are happy to be working together with such an innovative and leading brand like BabyDoge. Says BabyDoge Coin inches closer to 1.4 million token holders. So again, BabyDoge in the news. BabyDoge Coin jumps into the NFT space with the European Football Club. All right, BabyDoge, we're kind of liking it. Now we're going to go ahead and talk about if you're single and you're in the dating game, how you should maybe mention cryptocurrency on your profile or when you happen to be on that date. All right, owning cryptocurrency may make you more desirable on the dating scene, studies firms. In the wake of the pandemic, singles are looking for partners with good financial standings. It doesn't just mean they have money in the bank. These days, your investment in digital currency can set you apart. With Valentine's Day approaching, single men and women are setting their sights on partners who just are not financially stable, but suave, especially when it comes to what? Digital currency. That's why you pay attention to this channel to learn all this stuff. At this point, 33% of Americans said they would be more likely to go on a date with somebody who mentioned cryptocurrency asset on the online dating profile. It also says further, nearly 3 in 4 would be interested in a second date with the person who paid their bills with Bitcoin, according to a recent survey on eToro. Also, the number of merchants accepting cryptocurrency has reached 100 million, according to Visa. Other digital assets like non-fungibles and NFTs are also desirable. Nearly 20% of singles would be more interested in a romantically if you set up an NFT with your profile picture on the social platform on a dating site, eToro found. Also, about now 16% Americans have personally invested in or traded some cryptocurrency, 16%. And it also says, adults between 18 and 29 jumped to 31%. And also men are twice more likely to have cryptocurrency than women. Men are 22% compared to 10%. So owning cryptocurrency may make you more desirable on the dating scene, studies have shown. We're going to just do a minute here of crypto bubbles. Right here, I put the BabyDoge Coin in here. I wanted to show you this. What's our price prediction? We'll come back to it. But look at all the different zeros and a 41. Looks like for the week, this token is down 4.3%. But for the day, it's up 11%. For the year, you can't quite see it. It's up 1,600% for the year. For the month, it's up 29%. And again, crypto bubbles here. It's got the bubbles that bounce around. You got the top 1,000. At the bottom here, you got a search tool that you could put your search tool in. You could do your favorites. You can go to like KuCoin. If you want to see what's on KuCoin, you can go to the bottom and go to Coinbase. If you want to do Coinbase up at the top, all kinds of good stuff. All right, back over at Coin Market Cap. What's our price prediction? This coin is up 11%. I think the coin's going to continue to grow. There's 8 zeros. I think it's going to go up another 10 or 20%. It's going to go to 41.12 to maybe 44.12. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. We love to educate and share this good information. Put BabyDoge on your radar. Again, BabyDoge at 28.60 on Coin Market Cap. All right, the crypto bubbles, pretty nice platform to be on. BabyDoge Coin, European NFTs, pretty neat. A lot of hype going on with BabyDoge Coin. A lot of people like it. Again, this father is Dogecoin itself, so everybody likes Dogecoin. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video, and we will see you a little bit later on today. Hey, everybody, Super Bowl's coming in a week. They're already talking. It's not going to be the Super Bowl. It's going to be the Crypto Bowl. FTX against Crypto.com. Who knows? All right, everybody, we'll see you a little bit later on today.